Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make another pasta recipe. So we've got macaroni and we got pasta sauce. We've got cheese and we've got a grater. Oops. Sort of cheese, and we've got a pasta. I don't know what they're called, tray or something. So let's get, I just boiled the kettle. Okay, kettle's boiled. I'm just going to put should we go back on here? So that's two. Might just do one more. I just put 3 cups of water, hot water in the pot. So I'm going to. I might go to my mother. And sometimes give me my reality check. Okay, sop. I got a sop grinder. Okay. It'll take ages to come on. Oh no, that was the oven, it does. So now we're just going to wait for this to boil. So the water's boiled. I'll put the macaroni in. I'm going to start grating the cheese. I'm not supposed to be having deer broth, but I just grate the cheese. Right. So we're just going to wait for the macaroni to cook and we just put them all together. Okay. Got the pasta, it's all. Yep. I'll give Tony some. Oh. Oh, fuck's sakes. Oh, yay. That popped that time. Right. Using Marty's lines. You got some more cheese, Tiny. Sorry, buddy. Look. Look. Look, that pasta, I don't know where the fucking floor. I don't know where the floor's been, so we've got a cat who likes cheese. You got that that old girl. Right? Are you following her footsteps, Tony? This is annoying. So we got that going finally, and then pasta's in. Also, I'll give about between 30 or 40 minutes, I'm guessing. Thank you for watching how to make macaroni pasta just with. If you guys like this video, push the like button, subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Oh, it looks yummy.